Stephanie here, and I have an unboxing today. This is from Influenster, and I'm not in a campaign, and I did get an email saying I won a mega box, so I'm assuming that's what this is. So let's open it up. Bum-ba-dum-ba-da. Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo, Sea Buckthorn Berry, Silken Up Dry Conditioner in Sea Buckthorn Berry, and the Shield Style Extending Spray in Sea Buckthorn Berry. Okay, so I am a dry shampoo junkie, and I love Amika, so I'm really excited about these, and these are all full size. How cool is that? Then we have the Polished Perfection Mini Straightening Brush, the ease of a hairbrush, and the performance of a styler. So it's a heated tool, styling tool. I have the Blowout Brush by Amika, and it's super amazing, and I love it. So I have a feeling I'm going to love this, and it looks like it is travel size. Let's go ahead and check it out. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's tiny. And it looks like it'd be perfect for doing my bangs, which we won't discuss right now. But look how cool this is. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this. This is so cool. How cool. Okay, let's see what else. Oh my gosh. Amika, keep your color conditioner in Sea Buckthorn Berry, and keep your color shampoo in Sea Buckthorn Berry. They're full size, and I love their labels. They're like super kind of mod 70s. I love it. Okay, what else? There's more. There is a tote bag, I think, maybe. An Amika, Love Amika tote bag. That's cool. Then there's one more thing. Oh my gosh! Polished Perfection Straightening Brush. Single glide delivers sleek, smooth hair. So it's, okay, so the blowout brush I have is a round brush that you use like you were getting a blowout. This is a straight, like, thick brush. And like I said, my blowout brush, I think, was like maybe $150. So I have to imagine this tool is probably about the same. This is so cool. Congratulations. We hope you adore your Amika bundle. Hugs and kisses, Amika. This is great. What a nice surprise. I love it. This is so cool. Thank you to Amika, and thank you to Influenster. And if you're interested in getting Vox boxes, or doing Influencer, I will leave a link down below. This is the coolest. I'm really excited to use all these. I am so hair illiterate, and anything like this helps me figure it out. I will see you guys next time. If you like this video, click like. If you want to see more videos like this one, click subscribe, and bye!